it's Chimdi. So I'm coming to you from a hammock in Mexico because literally that is the kind of life I live, y'all. Like I can get into it later, but I signed an NDA. It's really cool. I want to talk to y'all about 3 ways to stop creative procrastination because I'm shooting this video vertically on my phone because I have everything here. I've got my camera, I've got my lens, I've got my tripod, I've got everything but the dongle that I would use to transfer the footage from my SD card over to my Mac. And I realized that I'm the kind of person who doesn't let the excuses stop me from being creative. And as a creative coach, I realized that's something I can help you out with too. Before we get into it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Join me on the Patreon, of course. And if you're interested in one-on-one creative coaching, go ahead and send me an email. We can talk, do a little intake, and see if we're a good fit for each other. Okay, so the first tip is to stop telling yourself the story that you don't have everything you need right now. I was actually watching a Kyle Cease video, and he was talking about, imagine someone wants to lose weight, and all they do is they're like, well, I bought a treadmill, and I bought P90X, and I bought a gym membership, but for some reason I haven't lost any weight. And it's because it's not about the stuff that you buy, it's about you actually just doing what you need to do. That is how you get the life that you want. But if you're stuck telling yourself this story that you don't actually have anything, you're not able to see that actually you are tremendously gifted. There's a very good chance that if you're watching this, you have a phone or you have a computer, or you have internet, and you probably have natural light. And as you see, that's literally all you need to make a YouTube video. I think people are so impressed when they see me because they think I'm doing some magical shit. And I'm like, y'all, it's not hard. YouTube is free. Like, it's so easy. So stop telling yourself that excuse because it's not real. The second tip is to focus on yourself first, okay? Sometimes we're focusing on money. How am I gonna be so successful creatively to actually pay for this life I'm living? Or we're thinking, how am I gonna help other people? Like, other people need me and I'm just doing this for other people. And that's fantastic and that's important. But ultimately, when I started creating, I started making hair tutorials because I benefited so much from having other hair tutorials on YouTube when I went natural, and I knew I could give the gift to other women and to myself, like the younger version of me, if I could see the tutorials that I would have made. So that's what actually got me started. And so the same is true for you. Like when you're making that list of things you have, beyond just the internet and the natural light, you also have the incredible experience that only you have. Only you have lived your life. Only you know the world the way you see it. And just by sharing that with us, you're giving us a gift. Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. I'm literally editing the video that you're watching right now. I am now an ambassador for Trove Collective and I want to tell y'all about it. So basically it's this online place where you can collect all of your different TV shows, movies, songs, books, podcasts. Basically like it's a notes app, but it's for all of us. We can all share and see. For this video, I'm actually going to make a little behind the scenes write-up where I talk about the different stuff from this video and share some additional resources. Currently it's for iPhone users and it is invite only, but if you use my code TRBE14, you can get access. Okay, back to the video. And then the money, the opportunities, the resources, they always come when you're living in alignment and you're giving yourself and the world those gifts. Like, y'all, I'm not paying for a single thing out here. Like, if you've been following me on Instagram, you've been seeing I've been living a real good life. I have not paid a dime for any of this. And how is that possible? The Lord, all right? I'm living in alignment with my blessings and they're coming to me easily, I promise. And then the final tip is to remember that done is better than perfect. We know if you are a perfectionist that you really want things to be good. I know for me, like my channel is my name, all right? I don't want anything that has my name on it to not be high quality. I was actually showing, well, I wasn't showing because I wouldn't do that, but other people pulled up one of my YouTube videos and I had to sit there as they watched it. It made me very uncomfortable. But one thing I thought was, I'm really glad I took the time to edit this video because I feel like it is a good representation of what I can do. And it would really suck if they were watching something that I didn't feel good about and I didn't feel proud of. But even then, they would still be watching something that I created on YouTube. And I think so often we're scared about putting ourselves out there because we don't want to hear the negative comments from people and all the things they'll say. But you got to remember, they're taking their time to watch you. Right now, you're taking your time to watch me as I sit in a hammock in Mexico for free. Wouldn't you like to be the one sitting in a hammock for free? Doesn't that sound fun? I promise it is. There's also been some low points and we're gonna get into that at some other point. But mostly it's great, okay? So stop making excuses. Live your creative dreams. If you want some help, email me. I'm happy to help you. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful. Let me know, is there something creative that you've been working on, that you've been making excuses about? What's your go-to excuse? Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more. I'll see you on the next one.